What's up, guys? This video I'm going to talk about this application here. This is another PERK application where you do tasks and you get points and you can cash out for gift cards or PayPal cash. Before we get into the video and the application, make sure you go ahead and hit that like button. Also, subscribe to the channel. If you haven't yet joined the team, go ahead, hit that subscribe button. Ring that bell icon so you can get notified when I drop another video. So, guys, I'm going to click on here and get into this app. I'll put the link in the description. Also, my PERK referral code so you can get some extra points for joining. This is basically like a word search game, similar to like a crossword puzzle. But you can make this 100% passive. That's why it's my favorite PERK application at this time. Me personally, I also or always just do quick play right there. Just click on that. You can find all 2 words or you can find all 3 words. I just click on the 2 words right there. And as you see, I have 8 seconds to find ambient and foosball. I actually found ambient right there. So I just got 1 point for doing that. Now, if you don't want to do that, you can just let it run and you'll still get points, guys. That's why it's my favorite app. Okay, guys, you see they just played an ad there. That's how they get their money to pay you for playing this game, guys. So they get a little bit of money and you also get a little bit of money. Right now, it's my favorite application. I make at least about $30 per month just on this app alone, guys. Like I said, I put the link in the description and the code for you guys to sign up. Got any questions, just drop comments below. Also, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and ring that bell. Till next time, guys, make some money easy. Peace out. Take care.